So it's booting up, and I'm going to hit F2, and then we're going to get to the BIOS. Oh, didn't go to the BIOS. Must have missed it. I'm going to restart it. So I want to look at the BIOS and see if it shows that it updated. Okay, I'm in the BIOS, and it says my memory is total memory. It says 8192. So that means I must have taken a 4 gig card out. It says 4 gigs. That means I can keep this one and I'll have 12. Cool. So I thought I was taking out 2 when I had 2 underneath the keyboard. But I have 4 here, so I can put it back. And instead of 8, I'll have 12. So that's why you check the BIOS. So now I'm going to turn it off. And all the lights are off. I'm going to pull the battery back off. And I'm going to put the 4 gig stick in now. You want to make sure all the gold pins go all the way through. So you don't want to see gold pins shown when you click it in place. So press that down. I'm going to put the battery back in. I think I can put this back on now. Hopefully. I'm not going to snap it all the way down. I'm going to boot it back into the BIOS, and we're going to see what we got now. I'm going to hit F2. And now we have 12 gigs of memory. That's why you check the BIOS. Bye. subscribe if you like this tip and if you want more. Thank you.